Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Doge0.1 token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. It was just announced recently. We're going to go over the information on the Doge0.1 token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced recently, the Doge0.1 token will be listed soon on Bitmart. So if you go over to Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange, it says upcoming new listing. Bitmart will add Dogelogy, aka Doge0.1, soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So it says listing soon. So they haven't given an exact date yet, but within the next few days, they will announce on Bitmart's Twitter, if you follow their Twitter, when it will be listed on there. And then, first of all, if you don't have a Bitmart account, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then when it gets listed, go into the trade section. And it might be under Dogelogy or Doge0.1, but they'll tell you the ticker symbol when it gets listed on there. But you can find it either under one of those ticker symbols, and then simply just buy the token. You would trade your USDT for it. Now, if you want to find their Twitter, I'm going to put it right up on the screen here at Dogelogy, or Dogelogy. It's very weird how they Doge. There's no all there, so it's like Dogelogy _chain. So that's where you would find their Twitter, and then you can also keep an eye on this Twitter, and that will also most likely have the Bitmart announcement and any other listings that they acquire too as well. So if you go over to their Twitter there, they have, let's see here, Dogelogy. They have the blue verified check mark on there, 1,435 followers. It says, step into the world of Doge 0.1, where we celebrate the whimsical side of the crypto universe, just a shared love for all things Doge 0.1. Only 13 tweets so far. Has a link to their webpage on there, though, Dogelogy.com. So they show that they were just at some conference, I guess, for crypto or something. It just says another day at Dogelogy, doing some promotion maybe. It says community ownership. Dogelogy puts the power back in the hands of the community with Doge 0.1 tokens used for governance decisions. So you'll be able to use this token for voting rights, like a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, and vote on proposals and which direction you think the Doge 0.1 project should go. It says some of you guys are selling or blue chip meme coins for a 10% gain, while those meme coins will do 1,000 times during the same time after a small rally. All meme coins are about having fun, make memes while making money. As the chart goes up, you're going to be a multi-millionaire. This is definitely translated, I would assume. But yes, I mean, you're not definitely going to be a multi-millionaire, but I mean, there's always potential for whatever. Take everything these meme tokens say with a grain of salt is the first thing. It says, we are working on new partnerships in the background And very shortly, people will be able to directly buy Doge 0.1 via our upcoming partner from our website. So they're going to have a swap directly on their website. So it says Doge 0.1 is the way of the future, the new meme. We're cooking up something special. As I've always said, teamwork makes the dream work. Stay tuned. And yeah, so it says we've decided that the 5% of the supply originally reserved for the team will now be allocated to marketing. And we are working tirelessly to bring the best marketers and influencers to our project. We won't stop. We will print millionaires this year. Ever wondered if you could bridge your tokens between two different blockchains with Doge 0.1? You absolutely can. Discover the unique world of Doge 0.1, the meme coin that is here for laughs and gains. Which brings us over to their webpage, Dogelogy. They should have put an extra O in there for Dogelogy. Otherwise, it's Dogelogy. I don't know if it's pronounced Dogelogy. Very weird, but anyway. So on their webpage, they do have a how to buy link. You can click on that if you want to try to get it before it gets listed on Bitmart. There's a bridge section, Dogelogy.com/bridge. Contact information. They also have a Telegram. You can follow their Telegram at Dogelogy. 2,369 members. It says the official Telegram. The meme coin with a sense of humor. Join our community for laughter, memes, and no financial expectations. Let's have fun in the crypto space. So they have the contract address on their page, buy now button. They have a live chart you could check out. It says sale for investors. We celebrate the whimsical side of the crypto universe. Our Telegram channel is a hub for all things meme coin related, featuring hilarious memes, discussions, vibrant community. Join us in a lighthearted journey. Now it says automatic LP and liquidity lock. All trades will continue towards the liquidity. With the starting liquidity of 160 BNB, so this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, so you'll probably be able to get this token off of PancakeSwap using that contract address. It says locked for 265 years, and this will increase the longevity of Doge 0.1. There's reflections to holders. Those who hold Doge 0.1 will receive 2% distribution. By holding your bags will increase. Burned wallet receives a distribution like everyone else, making the supply decrease. So it's a cross-chain token. That's why they're talking about bridging. You can get it on Binance Smart Chain or Arbitrum. So an Arbitrum exchange could be Sushi Swap, something like that. There could be a pool on there, maybe Uniswap. Now it says Doge 0.1 is literally a meme coin. No utility, no roadmap, no promises. No expectation of financial return, just 100% memes. They just have their team members' first names on here, so they're not really doxed. They show you step by step how to buy this token off of PancakeSwap on their webpage, and it says you could also buy off PooCoin, so they have a different link for that as well. So a couple of different ways to buy it. They have a contact email at the bottom of the page if you need to contact them. Check it all out, Dogelogy.com. Check out their Twitter. Check out Bitmart's Twitter for further announcements when this token will be listed on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there and check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.